How to integrate Google Maps with iPhone Dynamic Island. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Google Maps and tap on it. You are now in the Google Maps settings page. Over here, tap on Location at the top. You can manage and choose the location access settings from here. For example, select while using the app as shown. After that, turn on the precise location switch below. This setting allows apps to use your specific location. Now, go back and open up the Google Maps app. Once you're here, use the map to find the specific area where you want to drop the pin. You can search for an address or manually move around the map. Then, tap and hold your finger on the map at the exact spot where you want to place the pin. A red pin will appear at that location. Here, tap on the Directions button. Then, tap on Start. After that, go back to your home screen. As you can see, the Google Maps directions will keep playing in the background. Following these steps, you can easily integrate Google Maps with iPhone Dynamic Island.